Yep. Welcome to the video. It's like quiet in here. We're opening Pokemon cards because we have no life.
Waste money, that's why.
Yeah, we wasted $50.
We?
Ruben wasted $50. Here's the promo.
Beautiful Mewtwo.
And here's the pin, which, here you go, Ruben, you can have that.
Wait.
And you can have this promo, too.
Why not this one?
They're the same thing. We're just going to open both packs, and then we'll open the card packs. So let's set those over there. We're saving the Shiny Charizard pack for last, because hopefully we can pull that $1,000 card.
Hopefully.
It's a slight chance, though. I mean, do we have a garbage? No. Yeah.
Look at his collection.
I know.
Look at that.
It's great.
It's great.
There's a code card for people, because I don't use them.
I do. So
Do you?
Yeah.
And you can have that code card, Ruben.
Oh yeah.
There's another one. There we go. Ruben is the very best.
No one ever
Ever
was.
Did you see the back of the pin? Look at that. Ruben.
What is it? Just Pokeball?
Pokeballs, yeah, that's pretty cool. Okay.
So what do you pin this on?
We've got-
A shirt?
Huh?
What do you pin this on?
A shirt or something else. Your dick.
Ow.
Garbage over there. My Mewtwo pin is gonna sit there. More garbage. Give me the packs. Teacher walks in, sees us with Pokemon cards. Okay, we'll open that one last.
Which one?
We have 3 Zapdos.
I saw Aiden cut. I didn't say hi to him.
Aiden's awesome.
Look at
I was like, oh, okay.
Okay, first pack. It's a Zapdos pack. So the shiny is right before like the last card in like that pattern. So what I'm gonna do, I'll show you.
Well, we have a Caterpie.
I thought it was
I'll take that. Thank you.
Okay, so it's like
4.
it's 3.
Oh, it's 4.
Gold Rush the music.
Yeah,
It's 4.
Really?
yeah. Thank goodness you reminded me.
You're welcome.
2. The shiny should be right here. So we'll put it on the back.
Oh yeah. Alright.
So we got Caterpie, like he said, Paris, Charmander, Slowpoke, Psyduck, Lieutenant Surge's Strategy.
I know his name, but I don't know.
She's 10.
She is not actually, she's 18.
I
Misty's Determination. The rare is Mew. And, look at that.
Amazing.
These things are cool. I've been trying to find one of these.
You can have it.
Yeah, I know.
Wow, okay. I'm keeping this though.
Yeah, you can have that. We'll just open like all the... Oh, this is a card, by the way.
Yeah, I know.
I want to get that card too. If we get 2, like if we get the full art and the regular art, you get to keep the regular art.
Wow.
Like, what if I dress up as a man and everyone falls for it?
It sounds kind of similar to As You Like It, but like in the old west.
Kinda, yeah.
Here's another code card for you.
I feel like it.
Yay. Keep on coming.
Okay.
You got to rap, that was pretty sweet.
That's the energy.
Yes.
Is it fighting?
Always rapping.
Or is it ground? I can't tell.
That's fighting.
Enjoy rap.
Then what's the ground?
Aw.
It was fun.
You
I
should,
enjoyed
like,
watching
did
it
you see it?
whenever
'Cause
that
I was
worked.
like in this.
So we got Paris, Caterpie,
And it was so
Charmander,
stupid. And
the
it
Fairy,
was, like, also,
Psyduck,
Misty's
Misty's Determination,
Scyther.
Sabrina's Suggestion. I see something.
What is it? What did you see? What do you see?
Oh my crap.
What is it? What is it?
That's a shiny Noivern full art.
since.
Where's my
Cinderella
sleeves?
was-
I got sleeves in here.
And I was nervous.
Ugh.
Can I keep it?
No.
Or not? I don't have one.
Thank you.
I'll let you have it if we pull another like shiny
Alright.
full art.
Hopefully.
And I.
First
Well,
one. Let's
first one, let's put it over here so we know that.
Seriously.
Okay, Ruben, do you want to try the pack? Tree?
Maybe.
Actually, I'll just
You do it.
I'll just give you the cards.
Yeah. Cause I'm not good with this.
I saw the back and I'm like, we got some boys.
That's
there
awesome.
we go. Another one.
Steel.
How much will you hate me if I'm not gonna be in, oh wait, no, that's the week after, never mind.
Ah, crap.
I'm not gonna be here
Don't
for
sc-
like.
don't screw it up.
I screwed it up.
Oh no.
I
Yeah,
believe
you
it's
need to
like
be here like every
this.
but,
We'll find out
yeah.
on the next episode. We're just gonna go through
No, we're
this.
gonna do it.
There we got those three. It's Ekans, Cuba, Geodude, Harry, Brock's Grit. There's a shiny Wimpod.
Oof.
And that's the rare right there. Blaine's that stand. But we did get a shiny,
Hell yeah.
which I've caught this in Pokemon.
Shiny.
Wimpod? Yeah.
What generation?
It's Gen 7.
Damn.
It's time for the Mew pack. There isn't a shiny Mew in here, but there is shiny Mew too. You know what color shiny Mew is? He's blue.
That's so weird.
Takes place in the year that it was written, which is 1939, but it's, you know, like a little.
All the code cards are white, by the way. It doesn't mean we get anything.
Yeah, we're gonna want to.
Okay, I'll get it right this time.
Finding and securing.
Let's do that. Then let's
stuff
do
that
it
looks
like
it
this.
was a time period. The good news is
Do you
that
want to do it this
they have
time?
a lot of good
Oh,
stuff
Rilla?
that fits
Now you
them,
do it.
Especially like suits
Okay.
and hats.
Voltorb?
And stuff like that.
Voltorb,
Here's
Geodude,
a tax list for you.
Eevee, oh crap,
Bandit,
Clefairy,
appearance,
Caterpie,
so like when they first come on stage.
Magmar, Scyther.
And, a couple people put
No
it-
way.
But it could be on
I'll
there.
give you that.
Okay.
And so, you know,
Dude. Ooh.
let me get my
How?
busy.
How did we get it?
How?
How?
We're magic.
Yo, this pack's awesome.
Give me that Noivern.
Well,
No, you said you keep that. I'm keeping this.
this year, 4th hour.
Holy crap.
No way.
Hold on. We got these two.
Oh my
Dang,
god.
I'm just gonna leave them up here.
Alright.
So, okay,
Holy
You
shit.
can have this.
30s, 40s,
Magic card.
time period.
Wow.
You know, have you read through this script yet?
What did you knock over?
One of these.
Guys,
okay,
I'm hoping we get that Charizard. We did get a hyper rare.
I'll go through just
That's awesome.
some of the characters. So, like, Mr. and Mrs. Stanley.
I gotta look up the
are
price of that
upper
card.
class, you know, kind of
It's probably like $10,
family.
15.
That's like
Uh,
30,
place
but
in their house.
There's gotta be more than that.
yeah. Another code card.
there
You play the
is,
online?
Maybe. Sometimes.
you know, so, like, you know, very nice suit and tie.
I was gonna get a shiny Charizard.
Mr. Stanley.
They're shiny full,
Mrs.
like,
Stanley probably nicer dress.
what is it?
And/or dresses.
we got Geodude,
Very
Clefairy,
high society.
Eevee, Ekans. Harris.
So,
I forgot to take out the
Green
energy,
is a
so.
nurse,
God damn it, dude.
and,
Another shiny
you know,
full
I'm
art.
thinking,
Yep.
you know,
This is an Ultra
I don't
Beast,
wanna, like,
which is the
like,
same art as that one right there.
You know, fairly, somewhat stereotypical.
Give me this one.
Nurse
No.
outfit, white, you know, she's older, her character's
So,
on the older side.
I count these as hits, so 4 hits. Technically.
The
That's
kid-
awesome.
We need to get the shiny Charizard.
If we don't-
they are kind of like late teens, early 20s, so like 20 years.
I'm not dropping
I think the script it says like 20,
Yes, you
21,
are.
like 19, I think for June, and 2021 or something like that for
There you go.
Richard. But they're, you know,
Where you
kids-
belong, in the trash.
You know, I kind of picture that is still sort of like dressing like
Dude. Okay, which
4 hits.
which shiny do you want, Noivern or Kartana?
Noivern.
So they're,
Because I already have a
they
Kartana.
already are.
Wait, did I give you the regular one too?
Yeah,
Yeah, but you don't have the full art.
John the
I don't.
Butler,
I'm fine with the regular one.
I almost forgot to do the pack trick.
probably
Two,
like as
3.
fancy
There
as
we
the
go.
Butler.
I messed it
And I
up
think
twice.
coat with
damn it,
tails
Joe.
And, you know, like, it says in the script, like, a white coat with tails. I don't think it has to be white. I mean, it could be, but, like, just, you know, like, very fancy butler,
Magikarp.
you know,
Star
This is
you.
the kind of house where, like,
Full
the butler
term.
answers
Oh,
the
that's
door
Pikachu.
for everyone, and, you know, like, and that's what his character does a whole lot.
No, it's Raichu.
And Sarah is the cook slash
And Jigglypuff.
Slowly.
Probably
Brock's
have
Grit
some kind of a
Scyther.
simple outfit, but and also like a
Nicki
cape of some
Minaj.
kind, maybe some kind of a
Kangaskhan.
I'm not sure.
Ooh. That's a really good card, actually.
James and Jesse.
Mm-hmm.
Mrs. Dexter and Mrs. McCutcheon.
So no shiny Charizard.
So, I will give you this card,
They're
because
rather
this is
small,
actually a good
small,
card.
But,
Alright.
they are
The only card you're gonna give
also
me?
like kind of part of that
Pretty
same
much.
upper class
Wow,
high
Joe.
society that Mrs. Stanley.
Let me have this one.
So, we got these. Yeah.
That's awesome. That's something.
I know. It's actually really good. Out of 6 packs, we got 3 shinies and a rainbow rare.
Mr. Whiteside's personal secretary, so she's like very well put together, very professional.
So it wasn't
She's a
wasted.
working woman.
No,
and,
no, no, no,
so
no,
she's,
not at all. You
you know,
basically refunded
probably like
both
30
packs
years
with
before
this.
that. She's,
And
you know, 30,
you could basically go to game, well, not GameStop. Don't go to GameStop.
Not sponsored.
They'll rip you off. You could basically go to like sell these
Dr.
and
Bradley,
go buy like 4 packs.
You know, I'm kind of thinking like your
But we're not selling
stereotypical,
these
like, you know,
because
Dr.
these are
Big
too
Five
cool.
Skulls kind of
Yeah.
thing, you know, he probably has like
And it's like we'll probably never
a
pull
black
this.
hat, you know, like a bowler or
Ever
something
again.
like that, and like
Yeah.
maybe a black suit of some kind. You know,
So
maybe
lucky to have
darker-
that.
On the darker side.
Yeah.
So.
Finally, my first one.
First shiny.
Sheridan Whiteside.
Yeah.
So that's our
Sweet,
main
I get to keep
character.
these.
He's a wheelchair.
I actually am excited to keep this though.
The shiny ones.
Yeah.
It describes him, and I think this
I mean, I
is
would
kind
give
of
you
like
this
a-
for the shiny,
kind of like
but
a
no.
velvet smoking jacket. So you know those kind of like
So,
like a maroon.
let's find a
or something,
place
you know,
for
like
these.
those- It's almost like a Hugh
Oh
Hefner
yes,
type of a jacket.
and I'm gonna get a sleep
And
vest.
with like
And we
a-
also got this.
some
This
kind
is
of a
pretty cool.
loud tie or like a
The energies
tie
that
something like that, maybe.
are like this
Would
are
be
awesome.
really nice to kind of
I
tie that
don't think they
together.
have energies where it's shiny in the
And he
fire
might be more
thing.
than one, 'cause at some point he like
That would be amazing.
I know, that'd be pretty
gives
cool.
it to one of the other characters and
A
like,
rainbow
so maybe that
energy.
might have a different one later, I think. 'Cause the one
Well,
character
a
mentions,
rainbow
like,
energy
all
exists,
different
but
ties
the
he wears.
art
Maybe
rainbow,
if we
like
are
a
able
rainbow,
to
that'd be
change
cool.
that part of the costume,
Pokemon,
then
if you're
that's
watching.
something nice. So maybe
Please put less trash.
defining a couple other
Don't
ties
put
with
too
Well,
much.
mascots.
we didn't get trash. Here.
What is this then?
I don't know.
Harriet Stanley
Trash.
is a bizarre older lady.
I heard bizarre.
She is
Stop it.
really,
I will end you. The plot of that show is dumb.
No way. Ooh, what's that?
Oh, this is a-
Sort of like, oh,
Do you want it for the shiny?
breathy and light. She's old.
Because this is called a break.
And her secret
That's
past,
Zoroark
she wouldn't have
break.
known yet. It gets kind of revealed at the end.
I'm
That
good.
she,
No, you should take it.
Why?
I'll give you these two.
So she has like
For
this,
that.
like,
Yeah.
this past.
I'm good.
I'll give you this whole page for that.
Rather nice, but you know.
Oh yeah, you gave me that.
Yeah.
A flowy skirt with
Yeah.
a chiffon or something.
I didn't find like an empty
And she's
page.
also she's the
That one. Found two.
So could be of like a different generation, maybe. You know. Yeah.
So maybe she would wear some of the shorter.
Just make that noise.
What
the?
Yeah, right.
the?
Yeah.
Let me find out which
And
page.
then
These open.
all right.
Just,
I gave you that.
Bert Jefferson.
you gave me what?
is,
You gave me that.
He was a local small town
That-
newspaper man.
You bought the pack that came in.
Does your brother have the big one?
He is,
Yeah, Because Lucario's his favorite
love
Pokemon.
interest of one of the other
Wow.
characters. And he is,
Oh
he's a very smartly
Finally,
dressed,
all Wilson Pierce.
well-tailored suit.
Wow.
You know, the guy who goes
Oh,
out
Wilson
and
is
gets,
here.
you know, the story.
Wow.
Most of them will do hats, jackets.
Might as well just end it here.
stuff like that.
I thought he was talking about cats for a second.
Professor Metz is an eccentric, weird,
Holy
professor
cow.
who studies like.
Look at that.
But like, entomologist, thank you.
Amazing.
Thank you.
It's actually $100, by the way.
Yeah, entomologist, and so he, like, I was like, oh, you spent 2 years out in the wild.
Okay,
Jackpot.
thanks for watching.
This one
This is
type
the
of bug.
best thing
So he's
ever.
kind of like weird.
Hopefully, Ruben will fund more Pokemon cards. I mean, if you want to, because I can order them again. So, that's the end of the video. Say bye, Ruben, and show your face.
He probably has, like,
Bye.
I mean, he probably could be wearing a suit. He might be one of the people who actually doesn't
Bye.
have a hat, just because